Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. So we ended up with another range bar for the day. So that's 3 in a row, and the last time that happened was pretty much at the top here. We had quite a few in a row. You can't really see it because of the volatility at the moment, but there you can see all those range bars, 3, 4, 5 of them, call it 6, 7, 8, 9, all of them in the same area, clustering, and when we had a massive sell-off. Now you look at the same picture here, not to say that we're going to have a massive rally. I think it's going to take a while for us to recover from the chaos we're in, but definitely the potential for a little bit of a technical rally is definitely on the cards at the moment. Okay, and this is also a bit of a rounding bottom. So if we start looking at the lower time frames, you'll see the low to lower low, and then low to higher low. So we are rounding. Okay. The first technical break has happened. I'm not entirely convinced about this one. I think I'd be a little bit more comfortable with the next fractal level, which would be that level up there. So this is technically a potential entry, 8,600, and the next one is 9,047. So this is a potential entry for a long, but yeah, I'd like to see a little bit more than that. On the hour, it's definitely an entry for a long on the hour. So that's exactly what we have now. I've got a break and a retest. So maybe a bit of a pullback into this area here of 84.90 before a second move to the upside. And that second move to the upside should be something like that. Okay, so let's just check what our stop is here. Stop is going to be 274 points. So a fairly large stop for the DAX, but if you just climb in there with a bit of a low lot size, you should be able to get yourself a good 530 odd points. So it's a 2-to-1 trade. Okay, so that's pretty much the trade that I'll be looking at from the DAX today. Is at the open, a bit of consolidation here, somewhere around 84.90, along there, stop below stop below 8249. Is that right? Let's put a level in and we'll see. 8249 now. So probably just a little bit below that. So stop would be 8227, and in fact I just extended a little bit more. So 8166 would be my stop, just to get below this double bottom here. Okay, and then I'm looking for top of range. Okay, so that's pretty much a trade for today. I don't see anything else at the moment. And from an Ichimoku perspective, if you look at the hour, we are bullish. Got a bullish cross, cheapest band is in price, nothing there. So mixed signals there. If we come to the high time frames, we are inside Kijisen and Tekinson at the moment. Trend is down, but still top of range is our target, which is pretty much up there, which lines up with Kijisen as well. And on the daily, you can see we are creating some divergence between Kijisen and Tekinson. That is always a warning that we have a potential bottom in play. Okay, so that's my view for today. Probably look at this on the 12-minute. Let's just get back to the main move. So look at this at the 12-minute. You can see there is my wedge forming. Okay, there's my wedge forming, and I'm pretty much looking for that there. I'm back to the 12. There's my 12-minute fractal. So I'm looking for a bit of a pullback back down to this area, and then the buyers step in. You can also have a bit of a tighter stop here on the 12-minute by looking at this fractal here. So that would give you 150 point stop loss. But I think I'd like to give it a little bit of room to wiggle. So that's kind of the play that I'll be looking at. Okay, and then the last thing to do, you'll probably find that this will be a Fibonacci level as well. Okay, there's a 51, and this 61.8 is just below there, my entry at the moment. Okay, so that's my view for today. I hope it helps. It should just be a quick move to the upside, or it's going to flipping go sideways and then in the US Open just squares up just before the close. I think as people take profits of their shorts and not want to leave them over the weekend. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.